Your goal may be to achieve the Hyatt globalist status. And some of you may know, if you have the Chase Hyatt business card or if you have the Chase personal credit card, you can spend your way to become a globalist. This year, it took me less than a week to become globalist. I did not spend the nights at Rio because I'm not a regular of Justin is.
January, coming January 25th to the 30th.
I know.
It's going to be a great breakfast with all the globalists and aspiring globalists.
Justin sent me one of his itinerary to stay at the Rio, and I was shocked to see how much he's paying.
But I must mention April 26th to May 1st, $15.20 a night. They're just paying me to eat breakfast? Is that what it is?
They are basically paying.
Thanks.
Yeah, they're giving you a free stay, they're giving you free breakfast, and they're still giving you money on top of that. I think if you do the math, it's American loves math. You'll figure out that staying at Rio is actually a profit-making opportunity in addition to your globalist status. But again,
in between the Kroger and grocery runs, we'll take a little break and stay at Rio for a little bit. We'll get the card spend and the stays.
That is correct. Yeah, I do it in my way. I just buy lots of gift cards. And I just said, I was a globalist in less than a week in 2025, globalist until 2027 now. The goal could be to hit a certain status at an airline or a hotel. And you can easily do that by just spending your way through gift cards. Third category is where called the pro buyers, or I call them whales. These people know no limits. Their target could be to spend $100,000 a month, or there are even bigger numbers people spend every month. Of course, your cashback amount is now going to start to be a little bit lower because if you are trying to only spend, let's say, $3,000 or $6,000 or $10,000 a year, credit card companies give you very high cashback. As you start to now go towards $100,000 a month, you will be using the cards which have some multipliers. So we talked about earlier in the show, City Strata Premier is one example. They give you 3x unlimited on grocery stores. Another good card that comes to mind is Chase Aeroplan card. They give you 3x points, 3x Air Canada Aeroplan points. And again, those are unlimited if you spend at the grocery stores. You may also know the American Express Personal Gold Card. They have a $25,000 limit every year, but you get 4 points for every dollar you spend at the grocery stores.
And we have our MGM Iconic credit card. Don't forget that one. You could spend your way to MGM Gold and Platinum status for complimentary cruises and much more, like I spoke about in Chicago.
Absolutely. That's a great card. In fact, that is, when I see you in Vegas in a few days, Justin, I'm going to learn a little bit more about that card and I'm going to apply while I'm there.
Yes, the increased offer ends, I believe, December 15th. So you have about a month to sign up for it at the bonus offer, $450 sign-up bonus, pretty much up from the normal $300.